Welcome to this week's DQ Dilemma, where today we're going to be looking at phone faux pas. One of the challenges we see with Dynamics standard forms is that when you're entering a telephone number, there's no validation around what you actually enter as long as they're actually numbers. So let me show you what that looks like. If I go here and I enter this telephone number, it has 8 digits. A UK standard telephone number actually has 11. I don't know whether this is actually going to dial. Maybe I don't have the knowledge as to how many digits a UK telephone number should have. And not only does it not have the right number of digits, if I was to dial this internationally, I also don't have the country prefix, which means that if I was calling from France and I was calling the UK, again, this wouldn't dial as it wouldn't know which country to divert to. So let's see what we can do to mitigate that challenge. Here we have a control bound on the telephone number field. And the first thing you're going to do is select the country code that you obviously want to dial to. So if it was in the US, it would be +1, or the United Kingdom +44. So we'll select that first. I'm going to go and enter the original number, the 8 digits, and we're going to go and check that and try and format it. What you can see here is because there's only 8 digits, that's not valid. Therefore, we get an error message and you go, oh yeah, I forgot to copy and paste, or I forgot to enter it correctly. So you go and you append the extra 3 digits. This now has the country code. It has the right structure and number of digits. So now what we're going to do is go and validate and then format this number. We apply that, and what we can see is we've now seen that it's actually valid. We've taken off the 0 because we don't need it with the +44, and we've structured the number correctly. What this means is the telephone number will now dial if you are in country. It will also mean if you were to dial this number outside of country, it would then divert to the UK.